Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Malwarebytes on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Malwarebytes on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, go to the official Malwarebytes website by searching for malwarebytes.com. And once you're on the website, you'll immediately see the download button right on the homepage. So just click it, and the Malwarebytes installer file will automatically begin downloading. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file. And then simply follow the installation setup. You may be asked a few questions during the setup process, such as whether you're installing it for personal or business use. So just choose the option that applies to you and continue. After that, click Install and wait for Malwarebytes to finish installing on your computer. This should only take a few moments depending on your device. And once the installation is complete, Malwarebytes will automatically open. From here, you can now start using the app to scan your computer for viruses, malware, and other potential threats. I also recommend checking for updates first, so you'll have the latest security definitions before running your first scan. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Malwarebytes on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.